Good news for retro-modern motorcycle lovers. Honda is reportedly developing a new motorcycle, which is expected to revive the spirit of the legendary CB750F series. The motorcycle, which is temporarily named Honda CB1000F, is predicted to carry a design similar to the iconic CB750F, CB900F, and CB1100F, with a modern touch that is certainly highly anticipated. According to the latest report from Young Machine, the CB1000F motorcycle will carry the heritage naked concept with a strong yet classic appearance. This motorcycle is designed based on the CB1000 Hornet model, which was previously released in Europe. Its presence in 2025 is predicted to replace the CB1300 Super Four or CB1300 Super Bol, which reportedly will soon be retired because it does not comply with new emission regulations. In Japan, the CB1000F will compete directly with Kawasaki's heritage series, such as the Kawasaki Z900RS, which has been successful in the market since its release in 2018. The competition between Honda and Kawasaki in the heritage naked bike segment is getting more interesting, and Honda fans certainly hope that the CB1000F can be a worthy match for the Z900RS. In addition, there is interesting information about the development of the CB1000F. The design team is said to be very enthusiastic about this project. They want to create a motorbike that they really dream of, a motorbike that is expected to attract the attention of fans in their 40s who like motorbikes with a retro design but modern power. Taking a closer look at the concept image of Young Machine, we can see that the Honda CB1000F carries a naked look with classic design lines and a retro feel. This motorbike features a distinctive round headlight, maintaining the main characteristics of the CB series. The fuel tank and the slim rear body give a sturdy impression, while the blue line that adorns the tank adds a touch of nostalgia to the design. In terms of performance, the Honda CB1000F is expected to have more than 150 PS of power, higher than the CB1300 SF it replaces. In addition, the weight of this motorbike is reportedly 50 kilograms lighter than the CB1300, thus providing a more agile and responsive riding experience. With these updates, Honda is expected to re-attract classic motorcycle enthusiasts while remaining relevant in the modern era. Many have welcomed the news of the CB1000F, especially considering the popularity of the Kawasaki Z900RS, which has managed to revive interest in retro motorcycles. We are still waiting for official confirmation from Honda regarding the final specifications and the exact launch date. However, the rumor about the revival of the CBF concept is certainly big news for Honda and classic motorcycle enthusiasts. Let's wait together whether the CB1000F is able to meet expectations and bring back the spirit of the legendary CB series.